Hello guys, welcome to the channel Math Ko Math with Aditya. In this video, we'll be seeing the exercise 1.1 of real numbers. So let's start. So this is the question 5 of the exercise 1.1 of Maths NCERT of class 10th. So in this question, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So as you can see, we have to use Euclid's division lemma, so we have to make assumption. So let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 0. Therefore, by using Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r. Where r is equal to or greater than 0 but is smaller than b. Therefore, a is equal to 3q plus r, as b is 3 here. So therefore the possible values of r would be 0, 1 and 2. So now we'll test for each of these values. So starting with 0, when r is equal to 0, then a is equal to 3q plus 0 or a is equal to 3q. As you can see, you have to prove for the cubes. Therefore, we will be cubing both the sides. Therefore, on cubing both the sides, we get a cube is equal to 3q whole cube, or a cube is equal to 27q cube, as 3 cube is 27. So as you can see in the question, we have to express everything in the form of 9. Therefore, a cube will be 9 as common into 3q cube. And we can express 3q cube as m. Therefore, a cube would be equal to 9m. And we have proved for the first part that it is of the form 9m. Therefore, we'll be checking for the next value. So when r is equal to 1, a is equal to 3q plus 1. Again, we will be cubing on both the sides. Therefore, a cube would be equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. Now, as you can see, here is an identity, a plus b whole cube. Therefore, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b multiplied into a plus b. So we'll put these values, that is 3q plus 1 in place of a. Therefore, a cube would be 3q plus 1's whole cube, that is 3q cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 3q into 1 multiplied into 3q plus 1. So a cube is equal to 3 cube is 27, therefore 27q cube. 1 cube is 1, so plus 1 plus 3 into 3 is 9 into q is 9q, and 9q into 1 is 9q only, whole into 3q plus 1. So here, as you can see, we have to multiply 9q into 3q plus 1. Therefore, you will multiply 9q into 3q and 9q into 1 is equal to 27q cube plus 1 plus 9 3s are 27, and q into q is q square, and 9q into 1 is 9q. So plus 9q. So we have got a value in all the variables after using the identity. Now the degree of all these terms is not in the descending order. So now we have to rearrange them. So on rearranging these terms, we get that a cube would be equal to 27q cube, then the smaller degree plus 27q square, then 9q plus 1. Now taking all the q's terms, that is the terms with q coefficient, all together as m, and taking 9 out as common. So you will see the step that a cube would be 9 as common. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3 again. So it will be 3q square. And 9 divided by 9 would be 1. So plus q. Now you will express all these variables as m. You can write all these expression as m. So a cube is equal to 9 into m plus 1. Hence we have got the second value also, that 9m plus 1 is equal to a cube. Now we'll check for the third value, that was 2. So when r is equal to 2, a is equal to 3q plus 2, and on cubing both the sides we get that a cube is equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Now again we'll use the identity. A cube now is equal to 3q whole cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 3q into 2 multiplied into 3q plus 2. Now this is equal to 3 cube is 27 and q cube is q cube. 27q cube plus 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 into 2 is 18. So 18q multiplied into 3q plus 2. So now we will multiply 18q into 3q and 18q into 2. As you can see, 18 into 3q and 18q into 2. Therefore a cube is equal to 27q cube plus 8. 18 3s are 54 and q into q is q square. Therefore we have got 54q square, and 18 2s are 36 and q 1s are q. Now we will be rearranging again. So a cube is equal to 27q cube plus 54q square plus 36q plus 8. Again, as you can see, 27, 54 and 36 are multiples of 9. We'll take out 9 as common from all these terms. So a cube will be now equal to, as you have seen, 9 will be common. So 9 multiplied into 27 divided by 9 is 3. So 3q cube. 54 divided by 9 is 6. So 6q square. And 36 divided by 9 is 4. So 4q. And whole plus 8. So again we'll express all these expressions in q as m. So a cube will now be equal to 9m plus 8, and we have got the third value also, that was 9m plus 8. Hence we can say that every positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. When r was 0, a cube was 9m, r was 1, a cube was 9m plus 1, r was 2 and a cube was 9m plus 8. And that's what we had to prove in the question. So hence we have proved that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. This is a little tricky solutions because you have to imply a lot of logics, but it would be easy when you practice. I hope you liked the video, and I'll meet you in the next video with some new solutions. Bye.